Luxury with LARA organized a highly luxurious travel event, which is a lifetime international experience with the skin. Luxury travel experience. A beautiful couple from Milan, Mr. Andrea and Mrs Daniyala, are behind this idea and are the owner of the skin. They talk about how the city of Dubai plays an incredibly important role in their business, and its multiculturalism adds more value to their concept of traveling with luxury and comfort. During the event, the concept is put forward by showing the documentary of luxurious ways to travel in different parts of the world in various options and packages for individuals, families, and even at corporate levels. They further explain the ways in which they have facilitated the tour for clients according to the different and dynamic weather conditions. He describes that with the skin, you can have most luxurious travel experience of life.
Congratulations once again, you have a very nice event.
Thank you so much,
So what
Tariq.
you would love to say about your event?
I would like to tell the viewers that are watching us right now that today we're launching The Skin, a luxurious travel company that is launching for the very first time here in Dubai. They're based in Milan, Italy, and they basically cater to bespoke luxury travel experiences. And when we say luxury, it's luxury on a different level. So we're talking about bespoke packages that are made for families, individuals, corporates. We cater to anyone and everyone. Very unique packages, all about luxury travel experiences. The two people behind this wonderful brand are a beautiful couple and a beautiful family known as Daniyala and Andrea. And they are right here standing next to me, and I'm sure they can tell you much more about the brand. Thank you, Tariq.
Yes, sir. You came all the way from Milan.
Yes.
Why you choose Dubai and what is your experience here?
But okay, first of all, we love Dubai. We relax a lot. We decided to set up here not only our business but also to have our family here in Dubai, because we have also a 3 years old little girl, Nina. She attended nursery in Dubai, so now our life is here in Dubai. Why? Because Dubai is a very good place for business. Is a multicultural place and very open-minded, and I like a lot to be here for business and also for grow up our family.
Yes, ma'am. As a working woman, what is your experience here?
I like to stay here. I want to travel with Arabian people, want to travel around the world, and my experience here is beautiful. I love Dubai, to stay here with my husband, with my daughter, and for the weather, for the temperature, because Dubai is an open-minded country, city. So
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We
Thank you
all
very much.
love you.
Thank you very much.
We hope this year will be successful.
Inshallah.
Thank you very much.